Last month, I watched a B2B founder generate $2.3 million in revenue using a sales chat system that never sleeps, never takes breaks, and converts prospects at 3 a.m. while he's dreaming about his next vacation. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how he built this AI-powered sales machine that's making traditional SDR teams completely obsolete. I'm Tony Koenig, and I've spent the last 19 years helping B2B founders build go-to-market strategies that scale without burning cash on massive sales teams. I've worked with over 597 companies, helping them implement systems that have generated over 50 million in combined revenue. And what I'm about to share with you is the biggest breakthrough I've seen in B2B sales since the invention of CRM software. Disclaimer. But before we dive in, let me be brutally honest with you. If you're still relying on traditional sales methods, cold calling, manual follow-ups, hoping your sales reps remember to nurture every lead, you're not just leaving money on the table, you're watching your competitors eat your lunch while you're stuck in 2019. The B2B landscape has fundamentally changed. Your prospects expect instant responses, personalized conversations, and 24/7 availability. If you can't provide that, someone else will. And that someone is probably using AI sales chats to steal your deals while you're still training your next SDR hire. The problem: most B2B founders don't seem to realize the average B2B buyer visits your website 7 times before they ever talk to a human. And here's the kicker: 78% of them leave without taking any action because nobody was there to help them when they needed it. Think about your own sales process right now. How many qualified leads hit your website at 11 p.m. on a Tuesday? How many prospects from different time zones try to engage when your team is offline? How many potential deals slip through the cracks because your sales rep forgot to follow up for the 3rd time? This isn't just about missing opportunities, it's about the compound effect of lost revenue. Every prospect that leaves your site without engaging represents thousands, sometimes tens of thousands, in lost lifetime value. The solution framework. The solution isn't hiring more sales reps. It's building what I call the AI sales chat Trinity. 3 interconnected systems that work together to capture, qualify, and convert prospects automatically. Component 1, the intelligent lead qualifier. Your AI chat system needs to identify high-intent prospects within the first 30 seconds of conversation. This isn't about asking, "How can I help you?" That's amateur hour. Your AI should analyze behavior, ask strategic qualifying questions, and route prospects based on their specific buyer profile. For example, one of my clients programmed their AI to detect when someone visits their pricing page, then case studies, then about page within 5 minutes. The AI immediately initiates a conversation with, "I noticed you're evaluating solutions like ours. Based on companies similar to yours, I can save you about 3 hours of research. What's your biggest challenge with slow sales cycles?" Component 2, the objection handling engine. This is where most businesses fail. They build chatbots that can answer FAQs but crumble the moment a prospect raises a real objection. Your AI needs a comprehensive objection handling database that addresses every concern your prospects might have: pricing, implementation, ROI, timing, competition. But here's the secret sauce. Your AI shouldn't just handle objections, it should anticipate them. If someone asks about pricing, the AI should immediately address implementation concerns before they're even raised. Component 3, the meeting booking orchestrator. The ultimate goal isn't to chat forever, it's to book qualified meetings. Your AI needs to be programmed to move conversations toward a clear call to action. But not just any CTA, personalized booking invitations based on the prospect's specific situation. Instead of "book a call," your AI should say something like, Based on what you've told me about your current situation with sales cycles, I'd like to show you how P2P Connect solved the same problem and increased their closing rate by 47% in 60 days. I have 20 minutes available Thursday at 2 p.m. or Friday at 10 a.m. Which works better for your schedule? Section 3. Implementation Strategy. Oh, you might be thinking, this sounds complex. Where do I even start? Here's your step-by-step implementation roadmap. Week 1. Audit and map. First, audit your current sales conversations. Export every sales call transcript, every email thread, every chat conversation from the last 90 days. Look for patterns. What questions do prospects ask most frequently? What objections come up repeatedly? What information do they need before they're ready to buy? Week 2, build your conversation. Trees. Create decision trees for every possible conversation path. Start with your most common prospect types. Are they enterprise or SMB? What industry? What's their primary pain point? Each path should lead to a specific outcome, qualified meeting, nurture sequence, or disqualification. Week 3, technology integration. Choose your AI platform. I recommend starting with tools like Scaling Founder CRM, or for more advanced setups, custom solutions using ChatGPT's API. The key is integration with your existing CRM and calendar system. Every conversation should automatically log prospect data, conversation history, and next steps. Week 4, test and optimize. Launch with a simple A/B test. Route 50% of your website traffic to your AI chat system and 50% to your traditional lead capture method. Measure everything: response rates, qualification rates, meeting booking rates, and ultimately closed-won revenue. If you're ready to stop competing on who has the biggest sales team and start competing on who has the smartest sales system, I've got something special for you. I've created the complete AI sales chat implementation blueprint, the exact system my clients use to build these automated sales machines. This isn't just theory. This is the proven framework that's generated over $47 million in revenue for B2B companies in the last 18 months. The blueprint includes the conversation flow templates, the objection handling scripts, the integration checklist, and even the ROI calculation spreadsheet to prove the value to your CFO. But here's the thing. I'm only sharing this with serious B2B founders who are ready to implement, not just learn. So if you want access to this blueprint, click the link in the description and book a 15-minute strategy call with me. During this call, we'll analyze your current sales process, identify your biggest opportunities for AI automation, and if it makes sense, I'll show you exactly how to implement this system in your business. Fair warning, I only do 10 of these calls per week, and they usually fill up within 24 hours of publishing a video like this. And before you go, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, because next week I'm revealing the AI email sequence that automatically nurtures cold prospects into hot leads, even if they never respond to your first message. I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully on a strategy call this week. Keep on scaling.